Mwegwetud mad expedition ja neme uskachida dagniban ja neme research jido dagandeme nena Sheshatshiu magne na yat Natuashish na marine zones. Ji collect ne meto dagande ne data ji ne research hemishkagan jewan magjewan de tuak ne me de ocean good mamugne de istayat ne me yat ne traditional knowledge ne magwayat mina gudun wa sunda higado na ne youth ne Sheshatshiu manato ji wadago going on no ibo wadago tasi ogo ino adande ji mamit ne dagbago ino na je hije won watch good ma huida.
We are on the Innu Nation Uinipeku Expedition.
First time on the ocean.
I never thought I would live on a ship. Yeah, I'm loving it out here.
Being outdoors, learning, and just being around more of my people.
As soon as I stepped foot on the boat, it was all smiles. Everyone was talking, getting to know each other.
It was crazy how quick we all connected together.
Experiencing things on the water like I never thought I'd get to experience.
The Uinipeku Expedition takes place over several weeks in late June and into July, and over 2 different legs. On each leg of the expedition, we have 12 spots for you, as well as Innu community members, leaders, and guardians to help preserve both the cultural heritage of Nitassinan and also protect these ecosystems.
It's a combination of Innu knowledge and scientific teachings provided by the government and other institutes.
We do this expedition to do scientific research, to collect environmental monitoring data, to continue work on marine stewardship of the Natuashish and Sheshatshiu marine zones and introduce people to those skill sets that are needed to do the work.
And we're going to have interns embedded in all the different science pieces so that they can learn what we do and hopefully become inspired to be able to take on those tasks in future.
Sino nenu kutusan nenu sino jadi wadago no pepne ino asete kusno jadi ispedago jadi wali spetendo agmes ya sno te jigo ped mode ini nada agne had ne jadi wali spetendo aksi.
I think it's amazing. People doing something they love and being able to teach others about what they love. It just gets me all giddy.
Masuk ke pamau na jadi gua banyak no to si wanda na gun mest manwa jadi iten da go in wasaja hani na man to sinan ni jam de Sheshatshiu kimanda Natuashish.
I never really get a chance to go out, so this is kind of big for me.
My whole life, I've just been living in the res.
There's not really many places to go or anything to do.
There's a lot of violence and drinking and drugging in both of our communities.
Back home, people don't really think about their future at all, but here, this is really eye-opening and really healing, I must say. I don't think I've ever been this happy in such a long time.
There's just so much to the world and our land. I don't know, it's beautiful.
When you're out on the land, your dreams become very clear.
Then the scene and then to ayas tado the sea or ayas to go easy with ayas to stop and the ayas to go hot shoot up.
Ispatenda gunji manu wasada ne youth ji wadago manu the land ji diag ne mamuk ji grounded in no heat ji ba mam tendag no shahi bayad ino dahi kay niwida magneno kay tideno ji survival dago dago hunt maneno muskagandi jon artifacts ji mam gudal dahi men niwin dahi the same modan de mijed wasat musto and moji to dago ji omi so posen dago tande de chai ji jibnod mak chai hip mododa.
Okay guys, good morning. Good morning. This is one of our Innu Nation ROVs. We're going to modify this one. And it's a great opportunity for you guys to learn about it while we're doing it.
In the Uinipeku Education program, students can choose between one of 4 different learning streams.
I've done youth education expeditions in the past, where it's really just about educating and not necessarily doing science and collecting data. This is a whole different thing. They're interns, and so we're putting them to work every day.
You hear about these careers, but you don't really know what you do in those careers. So it'll expose them to different career options that they might want to pursue.
The diving too is fun.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
We take some video of the seabeds to show the students some more, some of the things that are underwater.
I've seen like a bunch of stuff in the ocean I've never seen before.
I love showing people what lives under the waves. It's so colorful. There's so much life. There's so much to see.
They really have different ecosystems there.
We're bird watching. We've seen gulls, common mirror, thick-billed mirror, razorbills, and all the puffins up there.
Okay, let's do this.
We pilot little ROV drones that go underwater.
We're heading for like 70-meter step or 90-meter step where the divers cannot go to because the deep seas haven't been discovered at all. Hey, I see something. There's a crab. There's a crab.
We're looking at a video here, live view from our tow pan. It has a fiber optic cable that feeds onto the deck of the ship. And as the ship drifts, we can actually watch video from the ocean floor. It's like outer space.
Yeah.
So anybody who's going to help with the archaeology survey of the area, I'll give you a few flags.
I think it's a good experience to see who's been here and if there is artifacts to be seen.
We went inside the woods to dig up a test pit, and then they have to sift. And I found rusted metal. It was like my first artifact.
I found a piece of smoked quartz, which is really cool. Scott was saying it's pretty rare to find, and it dates back to a long time ago.
It's such an epic history when you're talking about 7,500, 8,000 years of people being in an area. So it opens their eyes up to the fact that, well, my ancestors have been in this place for much longer than I knew. And it kind of builds up a bit of pride, I think, associated with that as well.
They've been running me through different pictures, different lenses, different cameras, how they work. It's really fun.
They learn technical skills and all that practical stuff, but it's more about unlocking the innate talent that they have to tell their own story.
What's up, guys? Back again with another video.
Where are we, Sean?
We're on George's Island, as known as Caribou Island.
The foundation of advocacy is storytelling. So we're hoping that as youth at least start to think about this and start to practice, they can be advocates themselves for whatever it is that they care about. Marine zones, indigenous protected areas, parks, just nature in general. We think this will come in handy.
Ten days seems like a long time, but it flies by.
I went paddleboarding, kayaking, fishing, canoeing.
Going on the Zodiac, driving the boat. Yeah, that was really fun.
Probably the most amazing thing I've ever did in my life, to be honest with you.
I love it out here. I don't want to go home at all.
I'm just having lots of fun.
Dito dumating kami na uwi ko study hudo den yun da. Tumenwa dumato asada. Te nakabe ni skut tubeno mutnen jugno gazia ino pa maunji asada todeji wada go to siwa.
Throughout this expedition, I've learned so much between the guardians and the scientists, the archaeologists, the camera crews.
This expedition helped me and open my eyes to potential careers, and it really got me thinking about my future.
I want to do the deep sea ROV, and I'm an expert now.
I can see myself driving the boat.
It'd be cool to be a diver. I'm interested in becoming an parks guardian because of how they take care of the land.
I wasn't taught growing up, but I'd like to bring that back to my community and push the kids to rediscover your culture. Kaun sita tande we